Let me ask you, how would you say your health is doing right now compared to the last 5 years? If you're one of the few people who transformed their body for the better, here's a virtual high five because you deserve more than a recognition for making a bold move. On the other hand, if you're still one of the occasional New Year, New Me resolutioners, then you need to listen up. Body positivity is just a brand designed to make you feel good, but the repercussions behind it are real as cancer and obesity. Health longevity plays a major role in our lives, so we better start taking action and less hoping. Let's jumpstart the conversation by introducing the right method in doing keto. A ketogenic lifestyle is well known for being a low-carb, high-fat method of consuming foods, where the body produces ketones in the liver to be used as energy. When done correctly, it can be beneficial for both aesthetic and medical reasons. When we eat a slice of pizza or a tub of ice cream, our body produces glucose and insulin. Glucose, it's the most easiest molecule in our body to convert and use as the preferred energy over other energy sources. Insulin is produced to process the glucose in our bloodstream. I've mentioned that glucose is the preferred energy source of our body and fat isn't necessarily needed. It is, however, stored and act as a reserve fuel for later use. When we eat a high-carb meal like pizza, for instance, our body will use glucose as the main form of energy. By limiting the intake of carbs, our body is induced into ketosis. Ketosis is a natural process that helps our body survive when food intake is low, and our body produces ketones during that state. What are ketones, you asked? We produce them when we don't have enough insulin in our body to turn sugar or glucose into energy. We need another source, so our body uses fat instead. Our liver turns this fat into ketones, which is a type of acid, and sends them into our bloodstream, which to be used as fuel. Keto fact #1. Effective natural treatment against obesity. The weight and body mass index of the patients decreased significantly. The level of total cholesterol decreased from week 1 to week 24. HDL cholesterol levels significantly increased, whereas LDL cholesterol levels significantly decreased after treatment. Keto fact #2. Sustainable alternative against diabetes medication. Based from a study published in December 2005, the low-carbohydrate ketogenic regimen may be effective for improving glycemia and reducing medications in patients with type 2 diabetes. The low-carb ketogenic method improved glycemic control in patients with type 2 diabetes such that diabetes medications were discontinued or reduced in most participants. The present study shows the beneficial effects of a long-term ketogenic practice as it significantly reduced the body weight and body mass index of the patients. Furthermore, it decreased the level of triglyceride and blood glucose, and increased the level of HDL cholesterol. It could be argued that keto has beneficial effects other than simply fat and weight management. Based from the 4 keto facts we've mentioned and several scientific studies, keto is an effective method that outweighs common Hollywood health regimen both for physical and medical gain. If you're looking for a proven, no BS, science-backed system to help you jumpstart your keto lifestyle, get your free cookbook now. 21 easy and healthy keto recipes you need to try. Click the link in the video description to download instantly.